is a piece of limestone that has been half sealed with the Granite Shield sealing process for limestone. I'm going to pour some water and see how it reacts with the side that has been sealed with Granite Shield. The side that has not been sealed with Granite Shield just absorbed the water immediately, and on the side that has been treated with the Granite Shield sealing process for limestone, has just beaded on the surface and it's not penetrating. I have now flipped over the limestone piece, and I am now going to pour water. This whole entire backside has not been treated with the Granite Shield sealer. This is how it would penetrate. It just immediately absorbs the water. This is why limestone really needs to be sealed. Now I'm going to take a damp microfiber towel, and it's not very damp at all, and wipe the entire tile. Half is sealed with the Granite Shield sealing process for limestone. The other half is untreated. Again, this is the side that is untreated. This is the side that has been sealed with the Granite Shield process. As you can see, the towel isn't very damp at all. And now I'm going to wipe the flooring. You can see how just even a very slightly damp rag can penetrate this limestone that hasn't been sealed.